All right, happy Tuesday, happy Coffee Chat Live. We are going to get started. As you pop on, please say hi. If you're catching the replay, please comment #replay. Today I put together a throw on and go mom edit for you all. So we've got outfit inspo and a couple sneak peeks along with a featured deal. And apparently it is National No Housework Day today. Yay! How exciting is that? So I want to hear in the comments which task guilt-free you are going to not do today. Let's hear it. No housework day today. Which task? I mean, obviously we can't just let it all go. Like, I couldn't. I'd like have OCD. But let me know. One task guilt-free you will not do today. So that's going to be fun. I am super excited to hear your comments. Good morning, Kayla. As you pop on, please say hi. If you're catching the replay, please comment #replay. Today I put together a throw on and go mom edit outfit inspo for you. So we're going to go over that. We have a deal, and it is no housework day today. So I was just saying, drop in the chat which task guilt-free you are not doing today. Mine is dusting, not dusting today. That's really fun. Good morning, Caitlin. Awesome. All right, so we're going to get started. So the featured items and the outfit deals today, I'm kind of prepared. So if my brain even goes more scattered because I actually have notes and everything, you know, I might just do better off script. But anyways, I did make notes. So we are doing $5 off the featured items in the outfits I pulled together for our throw on and go mom edit. So our purse is going to be the first one. This is going to be number 7, so $5 off anything claimed today in the comments. I will pull them aside for you and get you hooked up with $5 off. So this one is our first one, number 7, our white bag that holds amazing, so much stuff. If you caught our reel yesterday, super fun. Abby does a great job. Oh, let's cheer her on and tell her to keep up the great work. But you can hold so many snacks, drinks, all the stuff in this bag. If you are down to like a toddler stage and just need a pack of wipes and a diaper or two, it'll be good for you. All right, so we are also switched around. I will probably chat with that in the VIP group. I need to carry on, but way too many jobs to finish those. But dusting is not on the list. That's right. I don't know. That is just such a hard task. Like, oh, that's a hard one. So guilt-free, not doing that one today. It is no housework day today. So let's hear which one you are not doing today. Good morning, Liz. All right. So like I said, this one is number 7. We're starting off with that one. Our bag is the featured deal. These are available today only. So next up is our white V-neck basic long sleeve. Perfect staple for moms when you need to just quick pull an outfit together. It's fitted. This is as small me as a typical small. It is a slimmer fit. So if you want it for layering all the stuff, true size is a really good one. And that one is available. Our white long sleeve is number 4, and it is $18. Small, medium, large, and extra large available in that one. Our purse is number 7. That one is $34. Okay, and then moving on, our green, Kelly green, Henley top. It's a little bit more oversized, so it's got great length for any of you that want to wear it with leggings and have coverage yet and all the stuff. You can wear it alone, you can wear it layered, so many different ways. This is just a great staple to throw on and go, errands, all the stuff, casual, office wear. This one is number 3. It is $32. Small, medium, large, and extra large. Small, medium, large, and extra. No, hold on. Small, large, extra large, 2X. My light is shining through there funny. So this one is small, large, extra large, 2X. And I feel like you could definitely size down on that one if you want, so it could fit up to 3X. What's the matter? What's the matter? We're just getting started. You good? I knew it was going to be touchy today. He was up way too early this morning, so he's got a way head start, so we need to keep moving. All right, so the Kelly green is $32, small, large, extra large, 2X. You can size down for it to fit up to a 3X. And like I said, you can just wear this one as is, layered, denim jacket, so many different ways. It's got length for long torsos or if you want to wear it with leggings. And then next up is our black wash skirt. This one is number 5. It is 38, small, medium, large, and extra large in this one. This one is stretchy, has the 5-button fly, so good. This is the medium on me as my typical medium bottom. It's got the fray hem on the bottom there. So those are the first ones for you. While you're waiting, I'm going to quick change into the next outfit. I want to hear in the comments which housework task you are not doing today, because it is no housework day today. So that's a fun one. I want to hear what are you excited to not do today? And then we have some sneak peeks that we can go over also in the mix. All right, this next one is super fun and cute. And then this one top, hold on, let's quick here. This one is the medium on me. Let's say that before I forget it. As a typical small, this one is super fun. Okay, so this one is super fun. This one is going to be number 2, and it's actually already on sale for $16. It is left in small and medium. I am wearing the medium. I would size up in this one. It does have the black layer under it, so you do not need to even layer this one, which is super awesome. So it's got the mesh sleeve. This is the medium on me. Size up on this one. Was mopping, not happy. That can happen if everyone else shows up. That is true, Liz. That is true. That one is on my list. I actually had intentions to do that yesterday, but kind of like Kayla, I got so much stuff yesterday done. It was amazing. I felt so accomplished. And I haven't done that in a long time. It was just really good. We went through the girls' rooms, got their rooms all situated, and cleaned up, reset the basement, the rooms. Oh, and if you know, 4 girls, that is a lot of stuff. But I got 1 box started for our garage sale that'll be coming up, and I think we're doing it in June. But I got 1 box priced and marked and ready, so that is a huge accomplishment. I usually like wait till the week of and then try to get it all done. All right, moving on. Our Harper denim jacket is number 1, and that is $46. Small, medium, and extra large left in this one. So good again. It's got pockets. It's got the detail there. I love how like the sleeve is just like perfect, so you can wear the fitted layer underneath. I think this is really, really cute. And just so easy and comfortable. So good. So, like I said, the bag is number 7. That is $34. I believe 34. My bag is the one thing I did not write it down on my paper. So that's that. So this one is super fun and cute and easy. And then the jacket is, I would say, a pretty good, just a really good true to size with a slight relaxed fit. So it's not like super oversized. It's just a really comfortable, relaxed fit. All right, way too many things. Can't decide. Should try to remember. Yeah, I know that is so hard. I don't know. Maybe, but yet, if you got a town spot, would be ideal. Lots of done yesterday. Oh, Liz, you make me feel so good. Kayla, you too. You know, like the mom guilt. It's like, okay, we need to tackle some stuff because the weather is kind of yucky and all the stuff. So like, I feel bad accomplishing things, but yet they're home. So, you know, we worked really hard in the morning and they got to play about the whole afternoon, but feels so good to have all that stuff done. They got to soak in my jacuzzi last night, so that was their treat. You know, it all is give and take, right? And we all work together. Like, there's just, yeah, all the stuff. All right, this next one is a go-to. So good, super easy to throw on a pop of color, and so fun. So if any of you followed, I think it was last week or so, we never did find the video. I don't know where it went. I don't know. I know I had to have gone over this one, but anyways, we're going to just move on and forget it never happened, or it did happen and we all know about it. So, okay, this one is number 6. It is 38. There is small, medium, and large left. So this one is so good. So good. Love this one. And it does pass the sidelines test for all of my moms that have spring sports coming up and all the stuff. So check out our latest reel. It's really good and fun. So it's got like the denim checkered there on the sleeves. It's got the band on the bottom. It's got a kangaroo pocket. It's got the zip, the hood, and it's just so fun and easy. So this one's great for home, quick grocery runs, all the stuff. This is a small me as a typical small. And like I said, this one is included in our featured deal, $5 off our featured items that we just went through. If they are claimed in this video below, today only. So any of those you can grab, and it is no housework day today. So I want to hear which tasks you are not doing. So far we've got dusting and mopping. So let's hear what else is such a non-fun task that we can guilt-free not do today. I'm not doing either of those actually. So I'm gonna just say those two for sure, along with more I'm sure, because we got a lot done yesterday. So today I probably is gonna be kind of a working day and all this stuff. All right, this is a sneak peek. This one is really, really good. Medium and the pink and ink. You got it. Okay, perfect. Thanks. Okay, so this one has like, can you see the detail? It's like not a ribbed, but it's like a textured ribbed. And the fabric is so good. It's soft. It's not super thin. It's like a medium, really nice. This one is going to go with like, I feel like it would be really cute with all the spring floral skirts, colored bottoms. So many ways you can wear this one. Throw a jacket, cardigan. This one is just really, really good. So this one is dropping at noon to our email list. If you're not on there, drop an email. I will get you the link to sign up for that before noon. Otherwise, it will drop to our website at 6 p.m. tonight, Central Standard Time. But this one is really, really good, and this one is going to be a staple for so many ways. If you've got, you know, spring events, showers, weddings, all this stuff, because this one you can style, add on some accessories, dressy bottoms. This one is just really, really good. Oh wait, this next one is really good too. Oh, you guys, I'm so torn on all of these. They're so fun and cute in their own way, and spring is coming, and we're just so excited. Oh, I can't wait. So this next one, like, is so fun and cute, and again, a little bit dressy. Oh, this one's so good. All right, so staple, classic, black and white stripe, but let's mix it up with buttons down the front. So fun, the little rolled hem there. This is the small me as a typical small. This one is an actual like sweater material. It's got the band on the bottom, button up. It's just so stinking cute. I love it. Oh, so good. So if you're not on our email list, make sure you get on there. This one is dropping also to our email list along with some other ones. So good. At noon today, and then 6 p.m. Central Standard Time tonight. And you know, our sizes go fast, so make sure you are on there. Love to be, I do too, Kayla, like the button. It's just so fun. Love it. So, all right. I'm going to quick buzz through any of these so that you can get a feature deal, hopefully in a less, well, actually this will probably be more chaotic. This is, okay, we're going to quick go simplified. This one, number 7. This is the bag you need all summer long. It gives you a pop of white. It's going to pop any outfit. It's functional. It's got all the pockets. It's a great size. So good. So this one is number 7. It is $34, and you can grab it for $5 off with the deal today only. All right, and then we have our staple white V-neck, which is number 4 for $18, small, medium, large, and extra large. This one is your staple layering piece for spring. We've got the Kelly green, which is number 3, $32, small, large, extra large, and 2X. So again, you can size down on this one. So this one will fit up to a 3X. So you can size down This one is 32, super cute. Love all the pops of white detailing in there. There's just so many details on this one, which is amazing. You can layer it. Our Harper denim jacket is number 146. Small, medium, and extra large are left in this one. It's got pockets. It's got the fun fray detail on the hem there, the buttons. So good. So that one is number 1. We have our mesh black, which is already has a layer on the inside, is number 2 for already on sale for $16. So you're gonna get an additional $5 off today. This one is available in small and medium only. I would size up on this one. So this one has the layer on the body, so you can just wear it. It is actually sewed together, so it's not 2 layers. It is 1 layer with a layered body insert. So that is that one. And then we have our pink bonbon sweatshirt, which is so good. This one is number 6, $38, small, medium, and large. And I would say true to size on this one. It's just so cute. And the denim is not stiff. It's like flexible. So good. So that's what I have for you today, ladies. We've got our new arrival sneak peeks that are dropping at noon today to our email list, and then to the website tonight at 6 p.m. So if you need any links, let me know. Otherwise, make sure you claim your deals in the comments. And I want to hear which task you are not doing today for No Housework Day. I mean, this is just our jam, right? Like, this is the day. Best bag I have owned, Kayla. Awesome. So glad to hear that. It is. Like, it holds so much stuff, and it's just so cute. I love the pop of white, so it instantly pops any outfit. So, all right. That's what I have for you today, ladies. I hope you have a fabulous Tuesday, even though it's kind of gray. But, you know, add some color to your wardrobe. It does a lot. It helps. And yeah, so have a great day, and hopefully talk with you next week. Maybe.